Hi folks, this video is going to talk about a website called Muncheye and the advantages of being able to make money online through that website. Right here, I just want to start off by showing you that I actually make a full-time income on the internet with these kinds of numbers. This is just a sample of the stuff that I make, and this is just to showcase that the stuff that I'll be talking about in this video is reflective of the kinds of money that I make. So let me get into it and explain what is Muncheye. Now, Muncheye is basically a website that shows you releases for make money online products that are about to come out. What happens is that many people that own training programs on how to make money online, or they're selling stuff that's maybe related to WordPress plugins or systems to do affiliate marketing, various things related to making money online. Basically, what they do is they head over to this website, and here it is. It's called Muncheye, and they basically pay this site to advertise that they're going to be releasing this program. Now, the reason they do that is because a lot of potential affiliates come to this website and see which products are going to be released, and then they can actually promote it while the product is still not on the markets. And in the process of doing so, their blogs, their websites are going to get first page rankings on Google, on Bing, and other things. So when the products do come out, those affiliates can get a lot of traffic to review the product, and they can actually sell that product as an affiliate. So if you've ever been involved in blogging whatsoever, and you've seen a lot of products that are about to be released, and you've seen tons and tons of blogs talk about them before the product was officially released, and you wondered how did they know about this before that, odds are they probably went to Muncheye, and this is how they did it. Now this leads me to the next part of it, which is the opportunities and which products to select to promote. Because if I go through the big launches and all launches and even these featured products that they're talking about here, it's kind of hard to choose where you'd want to start. My personal advice is to either start with programs that sound really good, and this is important because clickbait titles for program names generally get better marketing appeal, because if something is like the super system, it sounds better than something like how to make money from promoting things on so and so. Something that sounds better generally gets a lot more public attention. So in these cases, I'm looking at these ones over here. So this is Engaggermate. I don't know what that is, but it doesn't sound as good as I want it to be. For Anchor Shakula, Voicemail Pro. That sounds pretty interesting. I don't know what this is. This doesn't sound that good. This one sounds interesting. 1 minute traffic machines. That sounds like a nice thing that would be interesting to promote. And if you're interested in promoting something like this, you click on read more. It'll give you the sales page, and then you can actually possibly even buy this program for a cheaper price to better promote it as an affiliate later on. And they give you information on how much you can make as an affiliate here. Now, besides these featured programs that are on there, and by the way, this changes almost daily because there's constantly new people releasing new products into the market, and they're asking Muncheye to advertise it. You also have these two sections over here where you have all launches and you have big launches. The very next thing I look at besides the name is the big launches area. Then I see which names sound really interesting in the big launches area. And as I'm looking through this, for example, I am Wealth Builder's Covert Curator. I'd probably want to review that. Let's see what else is there. Let's see. Oh, Eben Pagan, the Virtual Coach 2019. Eben Pagan is a very famous internet marketer, so that's another thing I'd look at. Basically, you want to go through these different names, and as well as on all launches, and you want to see which ones sound the best, and then you want to review them before they come out, so you can solidify your rankings in Google in the top search. So when they do come out, you'll be able to get a lot of traffic from that the release of the program. Now, you are able, if you can, I think it's impossible, but you can review every single thing that comes out here, but I think you would drive yourself nuts, especially if you are a person who is working on their website, on their blog, all that by themselves, which is why I like to filter through the advice that I was just giving you about choosing things that sound good or are made by or are released in the big launches area by famous people. I've done pretty well with this kind of stuff. I've had many programs that I have reviewed, and they have popped up on the first page as a result of that. And the process of actually reviewing these things before they get released officially is called product launch jacking, in case you've been wondering. And there's a lot of bloggers and marketers that do that, and they make good sales from it. Now, in my personal case, how is it that you want to set up your reviews so they convert? My personal opinion is that you want to talk about the program. You want to try to be as unbiased as possible. You want to list the pros and cons. You want to explain how it actually helps people make money online. And the basic idea is whatever program you're reviewing, your goal is to try to let the general audience, which is interested in making money online from this program, explain what the program is, explain how it works, explain how it makes money for them. And then you can either recommend it, or if you don't recommend it, you can promote something else. One of the things that I do actually is I promote a program called Wealthy Affiliate in just about every single circumstance, because I personally believe that this is the best make money online program there ever was, and that there ever will be, in my opinion, so far. And this program actually is one of the reasons why I learned to do the kinds of things that I'm talking about here, as well as make money online in general. And what happens is that what I'll do is I will look at products here that I'm interested in promoting. I will look at them and I'll see the pros and cons. And if the cons are in enough numbers, I will probably promote Wealthy Affiliate instead. In fact, here's my website, howtomakehonestmoneyonline.com, where you can read my blog. And I very often do product reviews on many different things, many of which come from Muncheye, by the way. And most of the programs that I check out, yeah, there's ones that are good, there's ones that are actually bad, there's ones that cost a lot. And Wealthy Affiliate, in my opinion, is the best of all worlds because it's free to try. And if people join that program, I make about like $20+ every single month for each month that they're there. There's also upgraded memberships where I can get paid like $175 per year for each person that's there. So it's a reoccurring income system, and it also teaches pretty much most, if not all, the ways of making money online, and it keeps adding more and more to its training. So I personally believe that this is the best program to recommend. And like I said, I will use the popularity of these programs, and sometimes I'll promote them as well if I find that they're good. But if they're not, and I see that Wealthy Affiliate is a better deal for the people that are reading my blog, I will recommend that to them. Now, this leads me to the last part of the video, where you can also promote Wealthy Affiliate too if you join them. Now, the good thing is that it is free to join. There's a link below the video that'll take you there. I'll show you an inside look in just a moment. But it's free to try, and you can join for free to check that out. You can actually promote it as an affiliate for free, and they do have an optional $49 a month upgrade. And if you upgrade to that, you actually double your commissions for each person that joins. And like I said, it teaches people ways to create an online business in any niche. Now, one thing I really want to mention before I move on to Wealthy Affiliate is that when it comes to Muncheye, the kinds of programs and products and services that this particular site talks about is make money online related. So if you are the sort of person that isn't interested in that niche topic, you probably shouldn't be using Muncheye. That's my personal opinion. I use it because I understand making money online. I understand the kinds of products that I'm reviewing and the pros and cons and all that kind of stuff. So I can list that very well. But if you have an interest in any kind of other niche market, another topic, maybe you want to make a website on a completely different subject than making money online, Wealthy Affiliate will actually teach you how to do that. It's one of the many advantages that it has over the competition. And it offers over 10,000 plus training lessons, webinars. It has over 1.5 million members. It has free tools and a bunch of other benefits. Now, specifically when it comes to affiliate opportunities, if you want to promote that, you can promote it for free or upgrade, like I said before, to their $49 a month membership, and basically doubles the commission rate, where for each person that you get that upgrades and becomes a premium member and also pays $49 a month, you get paid $23.50, so about 50% of that. And if they upgrade to yearly, which is like $350 something, you get paid $175 a year for each year that the referral is there. And I've actually made over 300,000 promoting Wealthy Affiliate. Let me just show you real quick by going into Wealthy Affiliate personally. By the way, there's success happening in Wealthy Affiliate. You can actually see this if you join. They talk about there's people here that talk about the different commission rates and how much they've been making. And some of them are promoting Wealthy Affiliate. Some of them are just running their own online business. But if I go to my stats, for instance, it'll show me how I'm doing for this month. So for this month, I've made almost 4,300. And if I go over here and I click on payout history, you'll see what Wealthy Affiliate has been paying me for the past months and years rather. I've been promoting this program for a very long time, so you can see the amount over here. You can see all these commission rates, and if you add them up, it's close to 300,000 at the time of this video. And I fully intend to keep growing this because this is a great program to help other people learn how to make money. I'm not the sort of person that likes reviewing programs just to promote them for no reason. I like to actually make sure that when I review something, whether it be on Muncheye or wherever else, that I explain to people how realistic it is for them for it to work for them. So whether it be a make money online product or some kind of health product, I keep the consumer in mind. And if, for example, somebody pops into my site, howtomakehonestmoneyonline.com, looking for reviews that I found here, I will give them as honest of a review as I can. And sometimes I will even promote the program. But I have found that out of all the programs that I've reviewed, Wealthy Affiliate is the best one by far. So you can go that route. You can build your own niche business in whatever topic that you want. Wealthy Affiliate will help you do that. So I hope that this video in general about Muncheye has been helpful for you. And if there's any questions that you have about that, about Wealthy Affiliate, about affiliate opportunities, whatever the case is, just leave a message below the video and I'd be happy to answer that. Thanks.